Okay. First of all, Darshak, drive safely while I speak. Second is thank you so much for bringing this question. See, dealer profitability, I think in my slides also, if you see while I was beginning, which you might have missed out, but we can definitely anytime connect. So, Darshak, dealer profitability is the most important key to run any business if it is a dealer business. We are as a country still not that online automotive organizations, or as a country we are not that well developed also, that where we see online sales happening for automobiles. Many companies tried, it's not worked so far. Not even the inch of the businesses are happening very high. What happens online is the sales dhamaka. If you have a sale, big offer sale, you definitely go on the process and do. I, I have unheard of swiping a 30 lakh rupee on credit card or X card on digital to buy an BMW or X, right? So it's I think unheard as of now. But yes, countries which are quite doing very well and wherein the online is growing, definitely that could be one way to look at. So we are making an attempt, Darshak, for creating a digital dealer. Now, this digital dealer is not to sell a vehicle online currently for us. This is to create a consumer to reach out where there is the best product available and best offerings available from the dealerships across the country. Dealers who are associated with us, I would say, have the best of the products today. Reason being, they have the best of warranty, extended warranty, and all. I think this is one of the enabling factors which are there. You can integrate and aggregate many more things which can come. That is the software related IoT based organizations which are there, and so on and so forth, to create this digital platform. But the run is actually the milk run, and happens only at the dealership, right? This is very important. So if we have a right lead which is passing to the dealer, and we book a test drive for him at the dealership, I think dealer would be quite happy and impressed. So yes, our vision is towards helping dealer to enable this point of factor through an online. Coming on to one of the major essential things which happened when we did this technology, Shekhar and Darshak both and the team out here, is that during pandemic we did our first 1000 customers, and we all were at home. I have not even traveled an inch, trust me. I have not even took a single flight. Even for the launch of our Athlon store, I could not travel. So that's what I would say. So what why it happened was like, because dealer had the stock in hand, he knew, so he could share the customer his own details the way they have WhatsApp or Facebook or whatever, Insta or whatever they could do as a social marketing. And they were delivering, many companies started delivering at home, doorstep, and all those things. This happened, and customer liked it because mobility was important for them. They wanted a mobility to be, driven, because to take care of the kiosk and the crowds which they never wanted to be in. So that's how probably dealers also, or I would say the partners, have changed the little mindset towards technology aspect. So and we could help them by this technology to make a process in terms of closed loop. And that's what I would say, Darshak, for now, because it's an interesting topic and it will still evolve, it will keep evolving. We are going to do a fraction of it. I'm sure there would be a lot of learnings. We might do good, bad, ugly, but at the same time, then we will have to rectify them and make it more dealer oriented at the end of the day.